So what I'm showing on this video is going to be we're creating micros. I'm basically just trying to introduce you to micros. Um, and to create one, all you want to do is go into Excel. Actually need some data. Let me throw some data over here. I'm just gonna throw anything in here. All right, that's good enough, I think. What are you doing? Let's try that again. There we go. All right, so you wanna right click up here. Then you wanna click on customize the ribbon. Oh, it's actually, I already got it up. You wanna, first want to click it off real quick. So basically I just uncheck developer, so it's no longer up here. And normally when you actually get Excel, it's not gonna be up there. I already have mine up there, but you wanna click on customize the ribbon and you wanna make sure this is on. Click OK. Then you wanna click on developer. Then there's something called record micro. You wanna click on that. And you can name it whatever you want to name it. My new micro. And once you do that, it starts recording. And basically what it's doing is recording whatever you do. So say if you had some data that you want to highlight. Okay, I could do that. Make it red. And then what you would do, go back to developer, and you stop the recording. All right. And basically what it's done is recorded whatever you did, your keystrokes or whatever you want to call it, but it recorded what you did. And so what I didn't mean to do that. What I'm going to do is click on developer. I didn't want to do that. I want to click no fill. All right. So right now we have no highlight. If I was to go in here and click on developer and just click micros, it's going to show you your recording, all right? You recorded what you did. You click run, and now it's right there, right? Exactly. So you no longer have to do it again, right? So that's basically what you did. You just recorded yourself. And so if there's something that you didn't want to have to do again, if it's something that's like repetitive, and you knew it had to be the exact same thing, you can just do a micro. I probably should do a micro for, let's see how this will look. No fill. About to do a recording, no fill. So if you ever wanted to unhighlight something, I guess. Oh, yeah, I am recording. Probably should pick it for that specific thing, but you can stop the recording. Hold on, I haven't actually did the unfill yet. Let me see, where are we? So you click no fill, go to developer, stop it, and now you got a recording that takes off the no fill. So I click on micros. Oh, let me see what I'm gonna do. Let's go to the other one, macros. So this is going to make it red. Okay. And if I go back to macros, click no fill. If I run this one, it's going to take off the fill. Ah, see. So it saves you a little time. But yeah, that is how you do macros. Just quick and easy little demo explanation of macros. So there you have it. Now I will talk to y'all on the next video.